You clicked on this video because you want to look your best, and there's nothing wrong with that. Unless, of course, you ask the wrong people. But no worries, I got you. Today we're going to go over 3 techniques on how to make sure you're always looking good. What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching. This is Eugene Fashion. I'm your host, Eugene Celestin. First, I want to say, good for you. Congratulations. You are one of the few guys who actually put time and effort into their style and into their fashion. So, whether you're a beginner or whether you're a pro, it doesn't matter. These 3 tips will make sure that your style is always on point. Stay tuned to my channel so we can go over men's grooming, men's fashion, and also little tips here and there. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Tip number 1, pre-shop online. There's 2 main components to pre-shopping. When I say pre-shopping online, I don't mean buy your stuff online. I mean do most of the hard work online. Find the actual name of the piece that you like. So if you're buying a coat, is it a pea coat? Is it a field coat? Is it a top coat? Finding that information is really important. And the other aspect of it is price check. So what I like to do personally is I like to say, for example, we're talking about the coat, a pea coat. So what I would do is I will go to some of the name brand websites, the big name brands like J. Crew, and see what's the most expensive pea coat that exists. And then also search other websites to see what's the cheapest pea coat that exists. And then from there, I can gauge what's reasonable price to pay for a pea coat. And I can decide what I personally want to pay for a pea coat. So after you do those 2 things, it takes all the guesswork out of it. You pretty much know how much you're going to pay. And then once you gather both of those information, you know exactly where you need to go in order to buy that piece. So you're not just like bouncing around from place to place. A few other perks are, it just looks kind of cool when you go into a store. You know exactly what you want. You know the name of it. You know how much it's supposed to cost. But yeah, hey, how's it going? I wanted to try on those black Oxfords right there. No, to the left. Those are bros. Yeah, those. How much are they? Oh no, that's fine. That's perfect. That's exactly how much I thought they were going to be. And that brings us to tip number 2, which is buy the basics first. I know some of you guys are still doing it. Right now, stop it. Stop going out and buying every new pair of Jordans that comes out. Granted, there's nothing wrong with Jordans. I like them. I think they look good. But realistically, you don't need all of them. I mean, we're talking about building a great wardrobe here. So you want your wardrobe to be a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You want to have the clothes and the wardrobe to be ready for any situation. Say, for example, you're at Starbucks and you've been sitting next to this girl for the past 30 minutes, and you finally work up enough courage to say something. Boom, she said yes. And you find out that she's a manager for the bank across the street. You better not go in there wearing your Jordans and your distressed jeans. You want to have a wardrobe whether you're in the office, whether you're going to work out, whether you're going to play basketball, whether you're going on a date. You want to be ready for all of that. So quickly, I'm going to give you a few basics that you need to have in order to make sure that you're ready for any situation. First, you have the all-white dress shirt. The dress shirt is pretty good because you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to something super formal like a wedding, or you can wear it just like for like a night going out. It's pretty versatile and it just looks clean. Everything about it looks good. So that helps with your wardrobe when you're trying to mix and match pieces. The second one is all black dress shoes. So with dress shoes, you always need a good pair of all black dress shoes because, again, you can wear it with a suit. Or if you do it correctly, you can wear it with jeans, but you're going to have to watch out for that one. You really have to know how to do that. And third, you have the non-distressed denim jeans. Normally I go with a dark wash, like a darker blue, even black is good, but your dark wash jeans tend to be more versatile. You can also wear them with a bunch of different things. So those are just a few basics that you're gonna need in order to make a good wardrobe. Now, if you want an in-depth explanation about all the basics you need, subscribe to this video. Also hit the thumbs up so that you'll be notified on all the videos that I make in the future. So the fact that you're still here watching this video means you like the video or you're learning something new. So subscribe and then hit that like button. So that brings us to the third and final tip, which is to wear neutral colored clothing. Neutral colors are black, gray, white, and anything in between that spectrum. And the reason why I'm saying buy neutral colors, black, gray, white, beige, is because they literally go with anything. They go with any skin tone and you can mix and match them and they'll never look bad together. Say for example, I put this kind of gray field jacket on over top of this green shirt. Looks good. Doesn't clash at all. But it would be the same if this jacket were black, if it were white, or if it were beige. It would still look good. So if you stick to those colors, at least for your basics, jackets, jeans, shirts, like I told you, at least for the basics, stick to those colors and then you can build off that and your wardrobe will be amazing. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Those are 3 techniques on how to make sure you're always... That's too much. Those are 3 techniques to make sure you're always looking good. If you like this video, subscribe. Also hit a thumbs up so that you'll be notified for my next videos. And thanks for watching. Peace.